Hello, this is Scott with Aquascapes ATX, enjoying another beautiful Austin fall morning. Today I'm going to walk you through doing a calcium magnesium test, and I'm using the Monitor calcium magnesium test that I picked up online. One key thing to look at, to show you here, is, you probably can't read it, but it's for low salinity, 0 to 5 ppt, which basically means fresh water. It's not going to work with salt water. If you see a test that says for a saltwater aquarium, or if it has pictures of coral on it, probably not going to work well for a aquaponics test. And I've run into this several times. I've done several tests. Like I had a magnesium test and a couple others that potassium that just gave garbage results. So we're just going to walk through the steps. It's very straightforward on the instructions here. Lots of pictures. I've already pulled the 5 milliliter sample for the calcium test and the 2.5 for magnesium. So we're just going to walk through it. So the first thing is to add 2 drops of the number 1 solution, and make sure we get the right sample here. This is the 5, so we're going to go hold it up straight. 1, 2, up vertical. Switch that in a little bit, and we're going to go to confirm it here. Yeah, 2 drops of reactant 2. One, 2, and it turns purplish blue. Now we're more purplish. You see the purplish there. Swirl around good. Now we're going to count drops of the titration solution, which is the marked T. We'll swirl after each drop, because this will give us where to look up on the table. I missed. 1, 2, and we're looking for it to turn blue. 3, 4, almost there. I'd say it's almost there. 5, there's blue. So we're going to count at 5. So that will give us our calcium, and we'll go look those both up simultaneously. Now for the magnesium, we use a 2.5 milliliter sample. We're going to have 1 level teaspoon of powder 3, so that's the marked 3 on the little container. This is going to be the other sample, the one that was filled up to the lower mark instead of the upper mark. Put that in. And it's going to turn brown. Make sure it's well dissolved. And we're looking for this to turn from this brownish color to green as we add the reactant. So remember, it was 5 on the calcium test. So 1, 2, it's almost there, I would say. 3, I say it's green, so 3. So not quite as high as I thought it would be. So now we'll look at our handy table here. So 5 of the calcium is going to be 100, which I believe is at the top end of the range. And the magnesium we said was 3. So we go with 5 and 3 makes 12. So it sounds like our magnesium is dropping off. So I did check my tables on desired ranges. Calcium is 20 to 100, and we're at 100, so we're at the top end of the range, but we're still good there. Magnesium is supposed to be in the 20 to 30 range, and we are at 12, so we do need to add some magnesium to the system. What I've been using is Epsom salt, just agricultural Epsom salt I picked up at the home improvement store. You can also get bags on Amazon. It's pretty easily sourceable and not too expensive. So I'll add some. Probably I've got 3,000 gallons, 3,500 gallons of water. So I'll probably add, I don't know, a cup or so across various beds, kind of spread it out into the beds because the plants are the ones that need it the most. That's where I want to concentrate it. And then I'll check this level again in a couple days. And if it hasn't adjusted up in the range, then I'll just add a little more. But yeah, it's always best to go in small increments. So if you like this video, please click the like. And if you would like to get more of this content, then please click subscribe as well. Both help my metrics and get the content more widely distributed. Thank you for watching.